Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. In this video, we are going to see how you can configure and install the Snapchat from beginning as if you have just purchased your mobile and you want to configure everything from scratch. So in this video, we are going to see exactly that. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. So first of all, guys, I'm sure you have already configured the Play Store. So just go to the Play Store and just search here Snapchat and just search for it. And here we have the Snapchat, right? So this is the official 1 billion plus download, guys. So let's click on install. This is the application. So just wait until it installs the software. And once the installation is complete, let's open it. And now we can simply sign in by continuing with Google, or if you want to sign up by some other ID, you can do that as well. But it's very convenient to just continue with Google. So let's click here. Now it will show you some of the process. Click continue here and I have the ID configured. So let's continue and it's signing you in. Now it asks you to enable the app permissions to make sign up easy. Okay, let's continue. Let's allow all the contacts. Let allow different access that it asks for and just quickly select your birthday details. So let's continue and your unique username will automatically be created. So if you're not happy with that, you can just change your username just like that. And let's continue with that. After that, you can set it later as well. Now let's quickly select a password. Now I have set my password and we are all good to go. Save login info on your device. Let's save it as well. So just keep it checked. Click on continue. So we are in the step 3, guys. Now we are on step 4. Now you need to link it to a mobile number where you are configuring the Snapchat. It must be that number. So let's quickly mention that number which is on this mobile currently. After that, click on finish and it will automatically read the verification code. If not, you can just mention that verification code manually and it will recommend some of the friends that you can add here. But I just don't want to add any of the friends right now. I'll manually configure all of them. So you can just cancel that or you can just skip that friends part from the top. And it says you're almost there. Just add a few friends to start sending snaps. Okay, we can skip that as well. Now we will create a Bitmoji. Let's continue here and allow while using the app. We will select that and you can select any Bitmoji from here. Just select the character. If you're a male, you can select the boy here. And now as you can see, it has created a character for you. So let's click on continue, select that character, click continue. And now our avatar is ready. If you want to choose some outfit, you can choose the outfit as well. So let's say I want to make something like that or something like that. I think this one looks good. So let's click on save and it will ask you again to allow Snapchat to record audio. Obviously we will record the audio as well. So we have to enable that while using the app and allow all, or you can allow limited access as well. Let's allow limited access. You can choose any of the pictures, select photos you want to allow this app to access. For example, this one, allow, let's say like that. And there you go, guys. Now we are on the main screen and this is how you can configure the Snapchat. So I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified of all the future videos. This is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.